Please subscribe.
New for 2018. The best-selling Ford F-150 gets a major update for its 40th birthday. The big news is a new 3.0-liter power-stroke turbodiesel V6 as well as revised gasoline engines. Power ratings for the turbodiesel haven't been revealed. The 10-speed automatic now has a wider availability. Other changes include a new front end and rear end including exterior lighting, grille, and tailgate. Inside, more interior colors are available, and Sync 3 offers more infotainment and connectivity features. Vehicle summary. The full-size Ford F-Series is the #1 selling vehicle in the U.S. The light-duty F-150 pickup plots below the F-Series Super Duty pickups in the automaker's lineup. Overview. Not only is the Ford F-Series the #1 selling truck for 4 decades, it's also the best-selling vehicle in the U.S. for 35 years. For 2018, the refreshed F-150 gets a new 3.0-liter power-stroke turbodiesel V6 that has yet to be rated for power or fuel economy. The new engine, which will likely feature twin turbos, is backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford also updated most of the F-150's gasoline engines. The previous model's base 3.5-liter V6 has shrunk to 3.3-liter, but gains a new twin-injection system, port and direct. Power ratings are unchanged at 282 horsepower and 253 pounds-to-foot of torque. The 3.3-liter is backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. The new second-generation 2.7-liter EcoBoost V-6 also gains the twin-injection system, while the 5.0-liter Coyote V-8 gains new plasma-transferred wire arc spray bore cylinder lining for reduced weight over the previous engine's iron cylinder liners. Ford says the 2.7-liter EcoBoost and 5.0-liter V-8 make more power than before. The second-generation twin-injection 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, with 375 horsepower and 470 pounds-to-foot, introduced in 2017 carries over. A 10-speed automatic backs the 2.7-liter EcoBoost, 5.0-liter, and 3.5-liter EcoBoost engines. All 2018 F-150 drivetrains feature standard automatic start-stop. We expect the new for 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor and its 450 horsepower, 510 pounds-to-foot 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and 10-speed auto combo to carry over unchanged. The current generation Ford F-150 arrived in 2015 amidst lots of controversy due to its, mostly, aluminum cabin box. Ford claims the aluminum construction reduced weight by up to 700 pounds depending on configuration and options. Safety. The pre-refreshed 2017 Ford F-150 pickup has a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA, out of a possible 5 stars, and is considered a 2016 top safety pick by the US. That F-150, last year's model, received the front crash prevention designation of basic for its optional adaptive cruise control and collision warning with brake support. The 2018 F-150 features pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection, which first warns the driver and second brakes the vehicle to lessen impact, while the adaptive cruise control now features stop-and-go traffic jam cruising. What we think. From their hauling and towing abilities to trailer attaching and truck electronic guidance to the quality of materials lining the cab's innards to the sticker prices slapped on the driver's side window, pickups have never been more impressive, we said in our 2017 Ford F-150 Platinum 4x4 EcoBoost first test. Which means the eager, post-peak second-hand pickup shoppers have a lot of F-150 to look forward to. We look forward to driving the refreshed 2018 Ford F-150 soon.